If you've ever thought about how people recovered from illness long before pharmacies, tablets, and modern prescriptions, you're about to uncover something remarkable. For thousands of years, humans turned to plants not only for food, but for healing, to close wounds, fight infection, ease pain, and rebuild strength. Some of these plants act so quickly and effectively that modern research now supports what traditional healers understood centuries ago. In this video, you'll learn about 10 medicinal plants that cultures around the world have relied on for generations. Plants that work naturally, efficiently, and with surprising strength. These aren't legends or old tales. They are real therapeutic plants you can grow, recognize, or use today. Watch through to the end because a few of the most powerful healers are also the most ordinary and often ignored. 1. Chamomile is widely known as a calming bedtime herb, but its healing reach goes far beyond promoting sleep. This soft, daisy-like plant contains active compounds such as apigenin and bisabolol, which act quickly on the nervous system, digestive organs, and even the skin. Drinking chamomile tea often produces effects within minutes. It gently soothes the nervous system by interacting with brain receptors linked to relaxation, helping reduce anxiety, tension, and mental overactivity. That's why it's so useful for stress, nervous restlessness, and trouble falling asleep. The warmth of the tea, combined with chamomile's natural calming properties, creates a sense of relaxation without heavy sedation. Chamomile is also a strong digestive ally. Its antispasmodic effects help relax the muscles of the stomach and intestines, easing cramps, gas, bloating, and nausea. It's particularly helpful for stress-related digestive upset, menstrual discomfort, or post-meal stomach tension. When used on the skin, chamomile works just as effectively. It helps calm inflammation, redness, and irritation, offering relief for rashes, bug bites, mild burns, and small cuts. Its natural antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties assist healing while easing discomfort. What sets chamomile apart is its gentle strength. It's safe enough for regular use, even for children, yet powerful enough to bring quick, noticeable relief. Its effectiveness comes not from intensity, but from guiding the body back toward balance. 2. Turmeric has served as a healing spice for thousands of years, especially within Ayurvedic and traditional Asian medicine. Its rich golden color comes from curcumin, the compound behind turmeric's strong anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and pain-reducing effects. Although turmeric is often associated with long-term wellness, many people are surprised by how quickly it can begin to help when used properly. Combining turmeric with black pepper significantly boosts curcumin absorption. Black pepper contains piperine, which helps curcumin pass into the bloodstream more efficiently, allowing its effects to appear faster. Once active in the body, curcumin works at a cellular level to reduce inflammation, quiet overactive immune responses, and ease pain signals. Because of this, turmeric is especially useful for joint discomfort, muscle aches, arthritis, and inflammation after physical exertion. Some people notice reduced stiffness and soreness within hours, especially when turmeric is taken as a warm drink, supplement, or mixed into meals alongside healthy fats like olive oil or coconut milk. Turmeric also benefits the liver and digestive system, helping the body process waste and recover after illness, stress, or strain. By lowering inflammation and oxidative stress, it supports the body's shift from simple repair toward deeper healing. While its most profound effects develop over time, its early soothing impact on pain and swelling can appear surprisingly quickly. Unlike many synthetic pain relievers, turmeric doesn't simply cover up discomfort. It addresses inflammation at its source, making it valuable for both rapid relief and long-term health, connecting immediate comfort with lasting recovery. 3. Aloe vera. Aloe vera has long been known as the plant of immortality, and that title reflects its remarkable healing reputation. Civilizations such as the ancient Egyptians, Greeks, and Chinese relied on it as a go-to remedy for burns, wounds, and skin damage. Inside its thick, succulent leaves is a clear gel loaded with active compounds that start working almost as soon as they touch the skin. When placed on burns, cuts, sunburn, or insect bites, aloe vera produces a cooling sensation, eases redness, and reduces inflammation within minutes. The gel forms a light, natural barrier over injured tissue, helping guard against infection while still allowing oxygen to reach the area, an important factor in speeding recovery. Aloe also encourages collagen production, which supports faster skin repair and helps minimize long-term scarring. One of aloe's strengths is its ability to penetrate deeply. Rather than remaining on the surface like many lotions, the gel delivers hydration, vitamins, and enzymes directly into the skin's layers. This deep moisture helps damaged skin regenerate more quickly and improves elasticity, making aloe useful not only for injuries but also for ongoing dryness, eczema, and irritation. Taken internally in proper forms, aloe can also offer rapid digestive comfort. Aloe juice is known to soothe an irritated digestive lining, reduce symptoms of acid reflux, and calm gut inflammation. Its natural enzymes support digestion, while its compounds help the body absorb nutrients more efficiently and encourage beneficial gut bacteria. Many people notice reduced bloating or digestive discomfort soon after using it. Packed with vitamins A, C, and E, key nutrients for immunity and tissue repair, aloe vera serves as both an immediate soother and a deeper, longer-term healer. Few plants offer relief so quickly while also supporting the body's natural rebuilding processes. 4. Honey, derived from medicinal plants. Although honey itself is not a plant, it represents one of the most concentrated forms of plant-based medicine. Bees gather nectar from medicinal flowers, herbs, and trees, then convert it into a substance with remarkable healing properties. Raw, unprocessed honey begins acting the moment it contacts the body. When applied to the skin, honey functions as a natural antimicrobial and protective dressing. It inhibits harmful bacteria, lowers the risk of infection, and maintains the ideal moist environment needed for tissue repair. Wounds, burns, ulcers, and minor skin infections often recover more quickly when treated with honey, and pain relief can occur rapidly due to its soothing, anti-inflammatory effects. Consumed internally, honey works just as fast. It coats and calms irritated throat tissue, bringing quick relief from coughs and soreness. Its natural enzymes and antioxidants help strengthen immune defenses, while its simple sugars provide immediate, clean energy, particularly helpful during illness or fatigue. The healing qualities of honey vary depending on the plants bees visited. For instance, Manuka honey is especially valued for its strong antimicrobial action and wound healing support. Herbal-infused honeys combine honey's quick action with the medicinal properties of selected herbs, creating a powerful partnership that enhances therapeutic effects. Honey's strength lies in how quickly and broadly it works. It supports healing both inside and out, boosts immunity, and delivers concentrated plant medicine in an easily usable form. When used thoughtfully, it stands as one of nature's fastest and most versatile remedies, a true collaboration between plants and pollinators. 5. Ginger is among the quickest-acting medicinal plants you can use, with effects many people notice in a short time. This knotted root has a healing history stretching back thousands of years in traditional systems across Asia and the Middle East. Its strength comes from natural compounds such as gingerol and shogal, known for their powerful anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and digestive supporting properties. One of ginger's standout benefits is how rapidly it helps with nausea and stomach distress. Whether the cause is motion sickness, morning queasiness, mild food-related upset, or general digestive discomfort, fresh ginger or ginger tea can soothe the stomach by relaxing digestive muscles and helping food move through the system more efficiently. That's why it's often used during travel or recovery periods when nausea is common. Ginger also has a natural warming effect that stimulates circulation. As blood flow improves, oxygen and nutrients move more effectively through the body, supporting tissue repair and easing muscle tightness and joint discomfort. This warming sensation is often felt not long after consumption, making ginger helpful for sore muscles, stiffness, and aches that worsen in cold conditions. Its immune-supporting qualities are another reason ginger is valued. At the first hint of a cold, sore throat, or flu-like symptoms, ginger can help reduce throat irritation, loosen mucus, and support the body's defense system. Its antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory actions work together to help the body respond more effectively during early illness. Rather than slowly building up in the body like some remedies, ginger delivers noticeable internal support fairly quickly. It energizes, settles the stomach, eases discomfort, and reinforces immunity all at once, making it one of the most dependable fast-acting medicinal plants known. 6. Peppermint is another plant known for how quickly it works. Its main active compound, menthol, creates an immediate cooling sensation while gently calming pain receptors and relaxing tense muscles. That refreshing feeling people notice right away is part of its therapeutic effect. Drunk as a tea, peppermint acts swiftly on the digestive system. It relaxes intestinal muscles, helping trapped gas move through more easily and easing bloating, cramping, and general stomach discomfort. For those dealing with indigestion or heaviness after meals, peppermint tea can bring relief surprisingly fast. Peppermint is also well known for easing headaches and sinus congestion. Inhaling its aroma from crushed leaves, steam, or essential oil can help open airways, improve breathing, and reduce sinus inflammation. When applied topically in diluted form, peppermint oil may relieve tension headaches by encouraging blood flow near the surface of the skin and relaxing tight areas in the neck and temples. Beyond the physical body, peppermint influences the mind. Its scent can gently stimulate the nervous system, promoting alertness, clearer thinking, and improved focus. This makes it useful during periods of fatigue or mental fog, offering a lift without the jittery feeling associated with stronger stimulants. Because it works quickly for digestion, discomfort, breathing, and mental clarity, peppermint is valued as both a body and mind remedy. Its speed and versatility explain why it appears worldwide in teas, balms, inhalations, and natural treatments, delivering fast, noticeable support when it's needed most. 7. Garlic. Garlic has earned its place as one of the most powerful medicinal plants in human history, long known as a natural antimicrobial even before modern antibiotics were discovered. Its strength comes from allicin, a sulfur-rich compound released the instant garlic is crushed or chopped. Once formed, allicin begins acting quickly inside the body. This active compound delivers strong antibacterial, antiviral, antifungal, and antiparasitic effects. When eaten raw or only lightly heated, garlic is rapidly absorbed and begins helping the body combat harmful microbes. That's why it has traditionally been used at the earliest signs of illness, such as a sore throat, cold symptoms, flu, or fever, often helping to limit the severity or progression of infection. Garlic also supports heart and circulation health almost immediately. It helps blood vessels relax, encourages healthy blood pressure, and reduces inflammation within the arteries. Improved circulation means tissues receive oxygen and nutrients more efficiently, which supports faster healing and overall vitality. Historically, crushed garlic was applied directly to wounds due to its rapid antibacterial action. Internally, it was used for respiratory issues, chest congestion, and digestive infections. Even today, garlic is recognized for enhancing immune function within a short time after consumption. Beyond its infection-fighting ability, garlic helps lower oxidative stress and supports the liver's detox processes. But what truly distinguishes garlic is how quickly and broadly it works across the body's systems. Strong, sharp, and remarkably effective, garlic is far more than a cooking ingredient. It's one of nature's most dependable and fast-acting protective remedies. 8. Echinacea. Echinacea is one of the most respected immune support herbs in natural medicine, especially valued for how quickly it mobilizes the body's defenses. Unlike herbs meant for gradual effects, echinacea works best when taken right at the first signs of illness, a scratchy throat, unusual fatigue, chills, or that early sense that you might be getting sick. After consumption, echinacea stimulates immune activity by increasing both the movement and effectiveness of white blood cells, which hunt down and eliminate invading microbes. It also promotes the production of interferons, proteins that help block viruses from multiplying. This early immune boost can shorten how long an illness lasts or sometimes prevent it from fully developing if used in time. Echinacea is particularly helpful for colds, flu, sore throats, sinus congestion, and other respiratory problems. Many people experience lighter congestion, reduced throat discomfort, and improved energy within a day. It also helps calm inflammation in mucous membranes, making breathing more comfortable during infections. Another key role of echinacea is supporting the lymphatic system, which helps the body clear toxins and cellular waste. This contributes to quicker recovery and reduces the heavy, drained feeling often associated with sickness. Whether taken as tea, tincture, or capsules, echinacea provides fast, focused immune support when it's most needed. Though not intended for constant long-term use, echinacea is extremely valuable as a short-term immune ally, a plant to use when your body first signals that it needs backup. Used at the right time, it can turn a potentially serious illness into a much milder experience. 9. Lavender. Lavender is one of the fastest-acting healing plants because it works directly through the nervous system. Even before it's absorbed into the body, its aroma sends calming signals to the brain, lowering stress hormones and triggering an almost immediate sense of relaxation. Inhaling lavender essential oil can quickly reduce anxiety, slow the heart rate, and relax tense muscles. This makes it highly effective for stress-induced headaches, emotional overload, panic, and mental fatigue. Many people feel relief within minutes, which is why lavender is commonly used in aromatherapy for instant calming effects. Lavender is also a powerful sleep aid. By calming the nervous system and quieting mental chatter, it helps the body transition into rest more easily. A few drops on a pillow or a warm lavender tea in the evening can significantly improve sleep quality without causing dependency or grogginess. Applied topically, always diluted, lavender works quickly on the skin. It reduces inflammation, soothes pain, and helps prevent infection in minor burns, cuts, scrapes, and insect bites. Its natural antibacterial and antifungal properties support faster healing while reducing redness and irritation. What makes lavender truly unique is its ability to heal both mind and body at the same time. Stress often worsens physical symptoms, and lavender addresses the root by calming the nervous system first. Gentle yet powerful, lavender offers fast relief in moments when the body and mind need immediate balance. 10. Plantain, Plantago major. Plantain is one of the most underrated medicinal plants on Earth, often pulled out and discarded as a weed. Yet it may be one of the fastest-acting natural healers you'll ever encounter. This humble plant grows almost everywhere: lawns, paths, fields, and roadside soil. And for centuries, it has been known as a living first aid kit. When a fresh plantain leaf is crushed, chewed, or rolled between the fingers and applied directly to the skin, it begins working almost instantly. Bleeding slows, pain eases, and swelling starts to go down within minutes. That's because plantain contains powerful compounds like aucubin and allantoin, which fight bacteria, reduce inflammation, and stimulate rapid tissue repair. Plantain is especially effective for cuts, scrapes, insect bites, bee stings, splinters, and rashes. It has a natural drawing ability, meaning it pulls toxins, venom, and irritants out of the skin. This makes it incredibly useful for spider bites, nettle stings, and even minor infections. Many people notice relief within moments of applying it. Internally, plantain also works quickly. Taken as a tea or infusion, it soothes the digestive tract, reduces inflammation in the gut, and helps calm coughs by coating and healing irritated tissues in the throat and lungs. It has been traditionally used for ulcers, gastritis, and respiratory irritation because of how gently yet effectively it works. What makes plantain truly special is its availability and speed. You don't need a pharmacy or a supplement bottle, just a leaf in a few seconds. It's proof that some of the most powerful healing tools grow quietly under our feet,